Time for breakfast. Let's make some granola parfaits. I've got a bowl for all my ingredients here. I also have my pan lined with foil and my rubber scraper to mix. Everything's already measured. You can add nuts to this, but we're not going to do that today. Lightly spray your pan with some oil. Now we need to get our liquid ingredients in the bowl. So I've got some sugar and some salt. This is some maple syrup. You could use honey instead if you want. Some butter and vanilla, and just a little bit of cinnamon. We need to melt this in the microwave. It's going to take about 30 seconds to a minute. Just start with 30 seconds. There we go. Add your oats. These are rolled oats. Now we're going to mix it with a rubber scraper until it's nice and incorporated. Perfect. Now we're going to put this on our pan. And we're going to press it out with our rubber scraper. You want a nice flat layer of oats. Ready for the oven. We're going to bake it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and stir it. There we go, 5 minutes have passed. Stir it up on your pan with your rubber scraper or a spoon. Pat it out again. Back into the oven for another 5 minutes. Look how good it looks. It's going to seem soft at first, but as it cools, it's going to get crunchy. Our granola's cooled. We can transfer it to a container now. I like to lift up the foil. It makes it really easy to transfer. Now to assemble. I've got some vanilla yogurt today. You could use whatever you want though. Top it with your granola and your favorite fruit. There we go. This is the easiest granola ever. You're gonna love it.